Proud in his life, he had always been
Akshit, open your... Yes, wait, Ritvik. Akshit, open your discovering book. Page number 114, chapter 7. Question number 6, open. Read the passage from the story given below and answer the question. And sit properly, Akshit. Yes, Ritvik.
Timed boy now for the first time he had first time.
Yes.
He had been really.
He had been really
brave on his own and he felt
grand.
Excuse me, ma'am, ये मेरा फ्रेंड हुई है, आप क्या करवा रहे हो?
Open your discovering book, page number 114, chapter 7. Question number 6. Yes, Ritvik.
Milk curled out to
Not milk. M-I-K-E, Mike, not milk.
Mike curled out to him and said, "Let's go."
S-A-I-D, said. Read carefully. Ritvik.
Yes, ma'am.
Said. S-A-I-D, said.
Yes. Let's go. Don't.
Cello.
All the sea leave some bit. Ma'am, page number. For us.
114.
As he joked Wenji, what made you go and swim? Why? Yourself.
Tanvi, remove कर तू क्लास से. 2432. Yes, Ritvik. Yourself.
You are brave. Said. Blind.
Belinda said Belinda. Akshit.
Belinda.
Okay, Ritvik, mute yourself and Akshit, start reading. Said Belinda. कहाँ से करना है बताओ जल्दी. कहाँ से छोड़ा ऋत्विक ने? जल्दी बोलो अक्षित, ये तो रिमूव हो रहे हो आप क्लास से अभी. अक्षित, यस रीड करो. अनम्यूट योर माइक. अक्षित. Unmute your mic and start reading. कहाँ से करना रीड मुझे बताओ. नहीं पता है क्योंकि क्लास में आप थे ही नहीं. यस स्ट्रेट. ऋत्विक रिमूव हो रहा है क्लास से. ओके नेक्स्ट. शिखा.
Yes, ma'am.
कहाँ से रीड करना, रीड करो जल्दी।
You are.
Not you are. जल्दी बोलो। शिविका, आपका ध्यान कहाँ था शिखा?
मैम इसका ध्यान ही नहीं था।
मैं इसको काफी टाइम से देख रही थी और रिमूव करना मेरे क्लास से आपको भी। शिविका एंड निशिका, स्टार्ट रीडिंग शिविका।
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, शिविका, स्टार्ट रीडिंग। स्टार्ट रीडिंग शिविका।
You are brave.
यहाँ से नहीं रीड करना है। ऋत्विक ने कहाँ से छोड़ा है? यस निशिका, जल्दी बोलो शिविका निशिका, जल्दी बोलो कहाँ से रीड करना है? क्लास में थे आप? स्वकार्तिक राणा, स्टार्ट रीडिंग स्वकार्तिक।
Benji did not want to say anything about his ball as he wanted to enjoy
being
called brave, but he did not want to pretend, so he told them what had happened. I was not real brave. It was
really, really. आदर्श स्वकार्तिक के बाद आपकी टर्न है। आदर्श की टर्न है स्वकार्तिक के बाद। 2641 आदर्श।
Really brave. It was my new ball that made me go into the water.
Okay, स्वकार्तिक। आदर्श, yes, आदर्श, unmute your mic, आदर्श। आदर्श, 2641, unmute your mic and start reading.
Not bent to be.
Yes, कहाँ से बोल रहे हैं? आदर्श,
Not bent to.
ये किसने बोल दिया? स्वकार्तिक की टर्न हुई तो उसने रीड कर दिया ये। जल्दी बोलो कहाँ से करना है? कहाँ था आपका ध्यान? बुक कहाँ रखी है? देख कहाँ रहे हो आप? अभी भी देखो, मैं आपको बोल रही तो ध्यान आपका कहाँ है? मैं अभी की बात नहीं कर रही हूँ। पहले आप जब रीड करा था स्वकार्तिक तो आपका ध्यान कहीं और। जल्दी रीड करो, मैं रिमूव कर दूंगी क्लास से आपको। जल्दी करो, कहाँ से करना रीड? विहान,
करो।
स्टार्ट रीडिंग विहान। मैंने हंसने के लिए नहीं बोला आपको। स्टार्ट रीडिंग। स्टार्ट विहान, स्टार्ट रीडिंग।
Did it?
Yes.
Did it?
Can't did it.
Bent it to enjoy the
कहाँ से रीड कर रहे हो विहान? जल्दी बोलो विहान। विहान 2 3 2 4। Tanvi 2 4 3 2।
Yes, ma'am. Read.
Start reading.
Will
Vihan,
you?
mute yourself. Tanvi, start
Yes,
reading. नहीं पता है। आरुष 2 5 2 1।
Yes, ma'am.
Start reading Arush.
2 by 2 get
यू बोलते हैं इसको।
you to get
नहीं आरुष, यहाँ से रीड नहीं करना है।
me.
आरुष यहाँ
Yes,
से
ma'am.
रीड नहीं करना है, इससे ऊपर वाली लाइन रीड करो। The wind blew
The wind blew it
स्पेलिंग बड़े ना।
out out
out
the sea and none
none
of
none Arush none of
you hurt me.
C-A-double-L.
You to
Yes, Arush.
it for me. That's
all. That's all. Arush, that's all.
Yes, ma'am.
That's all. This word is that's all. Repeat this word. That's all.
Really? B-E-A.
I was not.
Very
Brave.
brave. Brave. You see.
Yes. Priyanshu 2319. Priyanshu 2319. Yes, Priyanshu. Unmute your mic, Priyanshu. Yes. Start reading. Yes, Priyanshu. Priyanshu, start reading. Angel. Priyanshu, mute yourself and Angel, start reading Angel. Yes, Dipanshu परमार की टर्न होगी.
No, ma'am.
Start reading.
Daddy had E-A-R-D
heard
all this and
or
he
patted
Benji on his
shoulder.
It's nice to be brave and
Honest
boy. You were
sensible
another to
enough. E-N-O-U-G-H enough
to
S-T-A-Y
stay there once you were in. I am pleased
I am pleased means
with
कि मैं आपसे बहुत खुश हूँ. I am pleased. Okay. I am pleased with you, Benji.
With you, Benji. You will be as fine SWIMME.
Yes. S-W-I-M swimmer.
Swimmer are
As not are. As
Mike
soon.
make
Mike soon
he said.
Yes. Okay, read the passage from the story. Given below, answer the questions. Okay, अब हमने questions के answer write करने हैं. Your first question is, what was Belinda talking about when she called Benji marvelous? Okay.
मैम सुहानी को पता है.
Okay, start writing. You will write firstly date.
Blackboard नहीं शेयर हो रहा.
Class work. All students visible blackboard.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And your first question is, what was Belinda talking about when she called Benji marvelous? Belinda called.
मैम आपका ब्लैक बोर्ड शेयर नहीं हो.
Belinda called Benji
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
मैम आपका ब्लैक बोर्ड क्या नहीं हो रहा है?
किसी को भी नहीं हो रहा है?
मैम हो रहा है।
Belinda called Benji. Mute yourself.
आपकी स्क्रीन शो नहीं हो रही है।
आदर्श ने रिमूव करना आपको क्लास में नेटवर्क में जाओ ना। ऋत्विक म्यूट योरसेल्फ। Because Benji swam on his on in the or W and on in the sea. Even he had never learn how to swim. How to swim. Full stop and done. Question number 4.
Ma'am, I have done.
Okay.
No. Ma'am, I have done.
Okay, mute yourself all. Done?
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I have done, ma'am. No, done, ma'am. Done, ma'am. No, ma'am. Ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, Gunjan?
No, ma'am.
Okay, next
I
question.
have done.
Next question. What did Mike mean by saying
No, ma'am.
don't swallow at the sea? Question number 2. This means, start writing. This means that Benji was getting all praise, getting all praise.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, and Mike also.
मैम मेरी नेट की वजह से क्लास नहीं लग रही थी। आप कौन सा करवा रहे हो? एक्सक्यूज मी मैम।
Yes, Tanvi.
मैम आपका ब्लैक बोर्ड शेयर नहीं हो रहा है।
Also. Wanted to be praised. Wanted to be praised. Praised. And full stop done. Question number 3. Why did Benji feel brave and proud to himself? Why did Benji feel brave and proud of himself? Because he did not know. Know how to swim. How to swim. SWIM. Comma, still he did. Still he did. Few Armstrong.
मैम थोड़ी साइड।
Strokes. All by himself. Full stop and done.
साइड।
Question number 2. Complete all scripts.
मैम मेरी पहले से डन है।
Question number 2. This one. 1, 2, 3 lines.
यस मैम। यस
Okay.
मैम। मैम मेरा क्वेश्चन नंबर बी हो गया है।
Okay. Third. Question number 3. Now question number 4. Why did he not want to tell anyone what really happened? Why did he not want to tell anyone what really happened? Because he was happy. Question number 4. Because he was happy. And did not want to. And did not want to tell anyone that he went into the sea